Bottom line right now is be opportunistic for the fourth quarter. Look for the value in the market and walk yourself into it when you find the value that you're looking for.
The so-called tax selling season generally arrives each year in the fourth quarter, driven by investors eager to trim their tax exposure. According to Ken Fincher of First Trust, tax selling may also spell opportunity for closed-end fund bargain hunters.
Tax selling is important this time of year because really people are reviewing their portfolios, figuring out what's worked for them and what hasn't, trying to figure out, do we have gains to offset or losses to offset? Last year we had in municipals, really, the sell-off in municipals sort of precipitated the actual tax selling at the end of the year. This year it's sort of a little bit different. I think for a closed-end funds investor, you always have to be opportunistic. And now's the time with the volatility and the possibility of tax selling where you may see dips, quick dips, that maybe for no other reason besides having a big seller in the market. You have to be willing to take advantage of those dips. Now's the time. There's a lot of opportunity out there. Now's the time to start looking at things.
Even so, caution may be wise, as well as doing your homework.
You start tiptoeing yourself back into the water if you're not there, and you start looking at, okay, what do I like? And I'm going to keep an eye on it, see how it trades, see if the volumes are out on it, and if I see some dips, that's when I'm going to jump in and put some money to work in the space. That's what you have to look at in the fourth quarter. Liquidity is an issue in closed-end funds, so if you start to see liquidity, a lot of selling, closed-end funds can quickly move down in terms of their share price.
Tax selling typically begins in November and draws to a close by mid-December.
Why? Because people start wrapping up their books, people start taking vacations for the holidays, and by the time you get to the Christmas holiday and between that and New Year's, the markets are so thin you're not seeing a lot of people trade.
Ken Fincher of First Trust Advisors talking about fourth quarter tax selling opportunity with closed-end funds. Our thanks to CEF Connect, a leading industry resource for information and data on closed-end funds. CEF Connect is the sponsor of CEF News, which is produced independently by Investius. Thanks for watching.